In a typical quadruplex actuator system, how is the failure of an actuator identified? A. By comparing it with the signal of the three good ones. B. By comparing it with a simulation model. C. Using in-lane fault detection. D. Using reflectometry. The correct answer is by comparing it with the signal of the three good ones. How is fly-by-wire system implemented in an aircraft? A. By using control rods and linkages connecting stick to control surfaces. B. By using high-power radio transmitters and receivers. C. By using computers and actuators to control surfaces. D. Artificial intelligence. The correct answer is by using computers and actuators to control surfaces. What type of cable is used in ARINC 629? A. Coaxial cable. B. Screened twisted pair. C. Unscreened twisted pair. D. Parallel lines. The correct answer is unscreened twisted pair. Which one of the following is not true with respect to the FBW system? A. FBW is not necessary for every aircraft. B. FBW makes an aircraft stealthy. C. FBW provides better control and carefree flying. D. FBW makes aircraft with low stability fly smoothly. The correct answer is FBW makes an aircraft stealthy. Which of the following is not a component of the FBW system? A. Flight control computer. B. Aircraft motion sensor. C. Actuators. D. Communication receivers. The correct answer is communication receivers. Which one of the following is a military standard data bus? A. MIL STD 1553. B. ARINC 629. C. ARINC 429. D. COMAC C 919. The correct answer is MIL STD 1553. Why are actuators used in FBW systems? A. Movement of control surfaces. B. Reduce drag. C. Increase lift. D. Safety equipment. The correct answer is movement of control surfaces. The reason for using quadruplex actuation system is A. Precise movement. B. To counteract heavy air loads on the control surfaces. C. Quick reaction to the control stick movement. D. As a fail-safe mechanism. The correct answer is as a fail-safe mechanism. How are FBW signals transmitted? A. Simplex. B. Duplex. C. Time division multiplexing. D. Code division multiplexing. The correct answer is time division multiplexing. Why is the BFW system used? A. To control aerodynamically efficient but unstable body. B. For communications in aircraft. C. Better navigation. D. Reduced chances of enemy detection. The correct answer is to control aerodynamically efficient but unstable body. Why are both electrical and hydraulic systems are used in the same aircraft? A. To generate more force. B. Quick deflections. C. As a fail-safe. D. Hydraulics for more force and electric for quick deflections. The correct answer is as a fail-safe. FBW system requires an air data system for control and stability. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.